welcome to Army Boots. TAT for 6th September 2020 is on your screen, and I want to say sorry because I'm uploading this review session very late. Well, quickly go through the responses now. सबसे पहले यश लिखते हैं, I perceive two characters in this image of age group 16 to 19. Rohan and Sham were two school friends and want to join athletics and represent India in various games. They both belong to a middle class family and they don't have resources to spend, but the thing which they have in were hard work and dedication. They both started preparing with great efforts and enthusiasm for the goals they want to achieve, and they burnt their midnight oil to achieve success. The parents of the boys were amazed to see the efforts put in by both boys, and finally they start winning school level competition and then district, and of course the victory. Then they got the admission in National Sports Academy. This was the time when they both got emotional and told this to their parents, and they also felt proud of it. And in the end, you said that the moral of the story is okay. Yash, the story is very good, very positive. When I say positive, I mean that there is a rigorous enthusiasm, rigorous processes going on in the story. Like they showed determination and there was a courage, because whenever you start something and you finish it with a success, this shows courage. Okay. And but the problem is, in the end you write the moral of the story is, please don't try to write a moral, because your actions will itself give a moral, and leave this moral part to the assessors themselves. अगर आप खुद मॉरल लिख के दोगे तो लगेगा आप फोर्सफुली एक इम्पैक्ट बनाने की कोशिश करो कि भाई साहब ये मॉरल है और स्टोरी ये है, एक्स्ट्रा दिमाग ना लगाएं, ऐसा वैसा, है ना. बट एसेसर्स वो खुद परसीव कर लेंगे. क्लियर. सेकेंड प्रॉब्लम, दे बोथ गॉट एडमिशन इन नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स अकेडमी. प्लीज़ आपकी स्टोरी जैसी भी हो उसे बहुत अचानक से ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल ना बना दें कि एक लड़का था, वो गरीब था और फिर उसने पढ़ाई की, नाउ ही इज़ द मिलियनियर, उसकी कंपनी इंटरनेशनल लेवल पे आ गई है. बड़ी बड़ी सक्सेस नहीं, छोटे छोटे एक्शंस, छोटी छोटी सक्सेस एकदम जस्टिफाइड रहता है. क्लियर. ओके. ऑल इन ऑल दिस स्टोरी इज़ गुड, एक्सेप्टेबल. क्लियर. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ गलत है या बिल्कुल ही गलत है, पूरी की पूरी सही है. इनफैक्ट जो आपने लिखा है वो भी बहुत हद तक एक्सेप्टेबल है और इसमें कोई ऐसी बड़ी गलती नहीं है. बट येस, इफ़ यू वांट टू नो वेयर यू कैन इम्प्रूव इज, मॉरल मत लिखो स्टोरी का प्लीज़. दूसरा, बहुत ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल मत बनाओ अचानक से. नितिन राइट्स that Shivam was a 10-year-old dynamic child born and brought up in a small town of Basti district in UP. नितिन जब भी लिखते हैं वो हमेशा born and brought up पक्का बताते हैं. He was a very intelligent and witty child. One night after having dinner, when he was playing outside his house, he saw two suspicious figures in his neighbor house. One of the person break the lock and went inside and other was wearing blank and was silently moving towards the house. The family living in the house were out of station from last 3 days. Though being such a young chap, he was able to figure it out that it is something suspicious. He ran immediately towards his home and told this to his father. His father, along the villagers, come inside and found out they were etc. They handed them to the police. Shivam was appreciated by all for his quick wit. Very good. This story shows speed of decision. Though action was very less, but yes, it is acceptable क्योंकि image was neutral और हर कोई अपनी एक स्टोरी बना सकता है. एंड दिस स्टोरी इज़ वेरी फाइन फॉर द TAT. ओके. वो 10 साल का बच्चा अगर रोया नहीं है, नंब नहीं हुआ है, ब्लैंक नहीं हुआ है और उसने एक डिसीजन लिया कि घर वालों को बताते हैं कुछ ऐसा है, बिकॉज ही हिमसेल्फ कैन कैलकुलेट कि कुछ गलत है, देन इट्स फाइन. सो नितिन, दिस स्टोरी इज़ एक्सेप्टेबल एंड गुड एट द सेम टाइम. और इसमें कुछ ऐसे गलत नहीं है, मतलब द स्कोप ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. इट वॉज योर परसेप्शन वॉज एक्सेप्टेड. अतुल लिखते हैं, इन द गिवन पिक्चर आई ऑब्जर्व राहुल, नाम तो सुना होगा, ए 14-year-old बॉय हु वॉज रिटर्निंग टू हिज होम आफ्टर अटेंडिंग द बर्थडे पार्टी ऑफ हिज फ्रेंड. ओके. सी, इतनी लाइन ही ना अपने आप में बहुत कुछ बताती है. दैट अगर कोई बर्थडे पार्टी से आ रहा है, दैट मीन्स ही इज़ हैविंग लॉट मेनी फ्रेंड्स, ही इज़ सोशली अडेप्टेबल. बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी होती है सोशली अडेप्टेबल होना, वो दिखती है स्टोरीज़ में. तो अतुल की पहली 4 लाइन में दिख जाती है. Then he writes that on the way back home, he noticed an unidentified person moving towards the forest area of this village. He quickly informed the Pradhan of his village with the help of mobile phone and told him about the unidentified person. Okay. अगर मैं लाइन बाय लाइन समझाने की कोशिश करूँ तो ये जो आपने लिखा ही क्विकली इन्फॉर्म प्रधान, तो ये मत लिखो ऑफ हिज विलेज, ऑफकोर्स प्रधान विलेज का होगा. विद द हेल्प ऑफ मोबाइल फ़ोन, ये भी मत लिखो, बस उसने बता दिया. एंड टोल्ड हिम, सीधा लिखो ही क्विकली इन्फॉर्म्ड प्रधान अबाउट दिस. क्यों सर स्टोरी छोटी क्यों कर रहे हो? क्योंकि आपके पास टाइम कम है. ठीक है. जो आइडिया और एक्शन है हमें वो समझाना है, ठीक. Soon the Pradhan of the village reached there and with some villagers and inquired the person about who was he and the reason why was he going towards the forest area after sunset. Okay, after 20 minutes of the talk, the Pradhan and villagers came to know that he was a newly appointed forest officer of that area and was just going to his assigned house, which was located near the forest area. He was welcomed and was assisted with some villagers to show his way towards his house afterwards. Okay, Atul, story is okay type. ठीक है. इन उसका एक अवेयरनेस दिखता है हमारे को मेन कैरेक्टर का, जो कि सिर्फ 14 साल का है. बट द मेन थीम ऑफ द स्टोरी इज़ नॉट वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. मतलब ये पूरी स्टोरी एक मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग पे ना. एक आदमी ने इस आदमी को देखा, उसे लगा पता नहीं ये कौन है, उसने इंक्वायरी करवाई और पता चले तो वो नहीं था. सो ठीक है, वो लगा, पर देयर कुड बी लिटिल बेटर एस्पेक्ट्स टू इट, लाइक ही हिमसेल्फ फेस दैट मैन. और जब उसने उस आदमी से पूछा कि सर आप कौन हो, कहाँ आ रहे हो, तो दैट मैन एरोगेंटली सेड कि हु द हेल आर यू टॉकिंग टू मी, ये वो, और वो चुपचाप आगे जा रहा है. फिर जाके उसने उस प्रधान से बोला कि हेल्प मी आउट इन दिस. और फिर प्रधान ने जब इंक्वायरी किया तब पता चला कि वो आदमी ये था, एक अपॉइंटेड ऑफिसर था. तो ऐसे करके लगेगा कि ही हिमसेल्फ फर्स्ट ट्राई टू गो फॉर द सिचुएशन. बट हाँ, दिस इज़ फाइन. आपका कैरेक्टर का क्वालिटीज़ फाइन है, पर स्टोरी थोड़ी सी स्ट्रॉन्ग हो सकती थी. ठीक है अतुल. देवांश लिखते हैं, शिवा एंड हृदेश वर टू फ्रेंड्स ऑफ एज ग्रुप 16-18. दे स्टडीड इन ज्ञान इंटरनेशनल इन द सेम क्लास. Shiva came to know that the annual sports meet was going to be celebrated in the school. He decided to participate in the athletics. Shiva visited to his friend Hridesh, who was good in athletics, and asked for his help. He also visited his sports instructor and listened to his guidance. He started to daily go on a run with his friend Hridesh. With a month, he developed stamina perfect and then worked on his speed. He also prepared for long jump best. Finally, with his determination, practice and perseverance, he was able to secure first position in 100 meter. Okay, perfect story. क्योंकि इसमें बहुत कुछ दिखता है, क्योंकि इसने फ्रेंड से हेल्प ली और फ्रेंड ने इसको हेल्प भी करा, तो ऑफकोर्स ये भी करता होगा कोऑपरेशन. Then he took the help of his instructor, teachers. That means he feels no discomfort in talking to some authorities. थर्ड दिखता है कि प्रिजर्वेंस वगैरह डिटर्मिनेशन है. सो ऑल इन ऑल क्वालिटीज आर देयर. सिंपल सोबर स्टोरी बट विद वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग थीम लाइन. Trupati Dalvi, she writes, a small boy named Ram was playing with his friends near by field. He seen the person wandering about finding something. He asked him what he was finding. He told that I'm finding my watch. Acha, that my grandfather has given when his grandfather was taking last breath in hospital. Trupati, fine story. Okay, since I'll again say you are very young, though this story is good, and I like the thing that you take part in this VAT sessions. Okay. So there's some emotional connect in the story that the watch which was lost was given by Dadaji. Cool, fine. Srishti Gupta, she writes, one day Kushal, a 17-year-old boy, was coming from his school. On the way to his home, there was a bank in the right side. He observed a man around 30-32-year-old moving towards bank wearing black clothes, and his face was also covered with mask. He observed that person is having knife in his right hand and in left hand a bag. He realized the person's intentions are not noble. He has some plan to rob the bank. He immediately informed the police about the incident and hid himself behind the tree till the police arrived. After the arrival of the police, they all moved towards the bank and successfully arrested the robbers. Afterward, policemen thanked Kushal for his wise step, and after reaching home, Kushal told the incident to his parents and they also praised him. सबकी स्टोरी में एंड में एक चीज़ ज़रूर आती है कि सोसाइटी ने उसको प्रेज़ किया, उसको इनाम वगैरह मिल गया. प्लीज़ अवॉइड दिस. ठीक है. इंस्टेड यू कैन राइट दैट कुशल वॉज हैप्पी दैट ही मैनेज टू गेट द थीफ कॉट, है ना. अच्छा सृष्टि, मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ आपके रिस्पॉन्स अच्छे होते हैं. दिस स्टोरी लैक्स सम कॉमन सेंस. लाइक इफ़ अ मैन इज़ वेयरिंग ब्लैक एंड इज़ विद एन if someone is with the intention to rob a bank, of course he'll not having been knife holding his hand while walking on the road. वो सबको visible हो जाएगा कि ये लूट नहीं आ रहा है. Second, that on the entry gate of bank there will be security guard which will stop him, so again creates a problem. Then rather than yes, it is good that you informed the police, but here you wrote that he observed a man moving towards bank wearing black clothes, so he's yet to go inside the bank. So rather you run fast go inside the bank and ask everyone to lock it and avoid that person to get in. अगर वो बैंक ही नहीं पहुँचेगा तो कोई वारदात हो नहीं पाएगी. Okay, so this could also be done. बाकी this idea is very weak, that somebody is going with proper dress up of a thief and also with a knife in one hand and going in a bank, because the entrance will be difficult. Everybody will be suspicious of him. And you also mentioned that with his gestures or something, he noticed that he is not there for a noble cause also. So if they are visible to you, it will be visible to everybody, na? All in all, the story is good, but somewhere it lacks that common sense. Okay. Hi Chetan. Chetan writes, I perceived two main characters in the picture. One was 16-year-old whose name was Rahul and studying in class 11th. Okay. And other was 25-year-old named Rajesh. He has done his BTech in mechanical engineering. Rahul also had an ambition to become an engineer. One day he was talking with Rakesh in front of his house to take some experience. Suddenly they saw heavy water. They decided to find the reason behind that. Then there is a leakage in water pipe. Okay. They went to the information to the Pradhan. The Pradhan came and they called the plumber and problem resolved. And the village Pradhan appreciated Rahul to take an initiative to save the wastage of water and prevent the village from the loss. Well, the story is good, story is fine, but avoid going to the Pradhan, etc. Because I don't think that most of us know who is the Pradhan of the village or DM of the city, and if you know the name, how to approach him. This is a basic problem. Baki story is good, and you are the only one who have related to the TAT shown, because there's a big house and there is some path to the water as well, and you perceived it as in water. That is a good thing. The story is fine. It shows speed of decision and sense of responsibility. Okay, so this much stories for today, and thank you. Jai Hind.